Hi, did you ever wish to sell product to the mass market and your sales will skyrocket immediately? Well, Seth Godin, the marketing guru, has something to say about that in his book, Purple Cow. And it is for you because within 2 to 3 minutes, you will know exactly what this book is about in a summary. So let's begin. You see, in the past, if you had a new product, you would advertise it in the mass media, like TV, newspapers, and so on, and people will buy the product. But now, customers are over-advertised. We just can't hear so much information and cannot hear anything about something that is new and not very different from what we have now. So if you have a pill, for example, against headaches, why would you bother hearing about another pill? There's no need for it.
But what about moo?
Okay. I'll tell them about you. Don't worry. If we draw a line showing who will buy what when, then we'll have first the innovators that like to buy something new. Then you would have the early adapters, and then you will have the mass market that will purchase the product. And after that, of course, the laggers. They're always the last ones to buy a product. It's tempting to believe you can sell immediately to the big chunk of sales in the middle market. But in today's world, it's nearly impossible. You would not be noticed, you would not stand out, and nobody will notice your new product. You will not be noticed with so much information thrown at customers.
But what about moo?
Okay, I'll tell them about you, don't worry. So the best way to market a new product is to introduce something that is outstanding, something that is not in the market currently. The innovators will be the first to get that product. They love getting new products and telling everybody about it. After that, the early adapters, and only after that, the mass market. In that case, you will be the first to introduce a new product or service to the market and enjoy for a while being the only one around. But soon enough the competition will come, and after that you're going to have to come up with a new product that will be special and outstanding and that the innovators will adopt to themselves first.
But what about moo?
Talking about you now, don't worry. So the reason Seth Godin called this book Purple Cow was because he was in the French countryside and he saw many cows, and he said to himself, well, if there was a purple cow, that would be outstanding. So we're talking about an outstanding new product. So should you read the book? I don't think so. You already got the main idea, and it keeps on going on and on in the book. The only thing you should do is subscribe to get more book summaries and maybe even like. And if you still think that you can market to the mass market immediately, then you should read the book.